Kaya medyo mainit siya.
Good morning. Are you feeling okay now? Good morning. I love you. Good morning, Elon. Good morning to mommy. I love you, Elon. Oh, are you saying something? I love you, Elon. Mom is so sleepy. You don't like to sleep na? You want to play na? Why are you so sad? Huh? So sad? Are you really? Smile! Is you smiling na? Are you feeling okay na? You're okay na with your vaccine? Smile! I love you, Elon.
Ang tawag doon?
I love you, Elon. What? Big Elon, small Elon.
Medyo matamlay si Baby Elon dahil sa kanyang vaccine kahapon. Kaya medyo mainit siya. Naturukan siya ng vaccine ulit. Mas mabigat yata siya kaysa dun sa last time. Mas mahal din siya. Kaya yun yung reason kung bakit matamlay siya ngayon. Pero normal lang yun kasi ano yun, side effect yun ng vaccine. Wala naman siya agad.
Pero hindi lang napainom ng mga gamot.
Tapos wag lang papainumin agad ng mga gamot. Kasi mas better na mas malabanan nila yung nararamdaman nila, yung fever, na natural immunity nila nang walang gamit na walang iniinom na gamot. Diba, baby? Sleep pa. Gamit training pa rin kahit masama ang pakiramdam. Again. Baby, what's this? How are you? How are you, baby? You good now? Okay ka na? Smile to baby, Tummy training, Still doing the tummy training? Nice. What are you looking at?
Starfish! It belongs to? Where it belongs? To the? What's it belongs to the? Sea! It belongs to the sea! Where it belongs? It belongs to the? Are you crying or are you happy? Where is Starfish? Where is Starfish? It's fine. Okay, up na. Power. Kiss mommy. What?